Our tornado team coverage continues now. News 5's Alan Carter spent the day with folks who lost their belongings and homes in the storm. He joins us now live from a Red Cross shelter in Pensacola. Alan?
Roseanne, that shelter set up here at Cokesbury United Methodist, and it's been a very busy but also emotional day for folks here in Pensacola as I talked to some people who lost a little bit and others who lost everything. While they didn't get the worst, the folks on Lansing Drive probably saw it first.
Like, it all happened just bam, 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 and I heard all this wind just rushing everywhere.
You can put it in the junk pile.
Cleanup won't be easy.
At least we almost got this pile done.
They've been working at it all day.
We're finding things from down the road that belong to these people, and then we're finding things here that belong to people down the road.
Things that are supposed to be inside.
I've been finding pictures too.
Now outside.
She'll be happy to see it.
Things once standing.
I'm sure that goes to a window somewhere.
Now not that way anymore.
Wow. It's unbelievable.
Only a few houses were actually hit, but every capable hand helping out.
Good job. There's this guilt feeling, you know. It's like, why them and not us? So you want to come out and help.
It'll take days and even weeks to get back to normal here. But for others in Pensacola, the idea of normalcy is hard to fathom right now.
In reality, I don't think it's really hit me yet. Just trying to make it day by day, but it was quite a shock.
All Pamela Hayes has are the clothes on her back and a trash bag of donated items. Everything else stuck in the rubble of the Moorings apartments.
When I looked out my front door and seen all the debris and people screaming and hollering, saying, help me, help me. Everything was just gone, and I've seen, it was horrifying.
She's one of about 30 people staying at this Red Cross shelter, folks trying to figure out what's next. But these disasters have a tendency to highlight what's important.
It sort of puts the trivial things that you're concerned about in life on the back burner for sure.
I don't even know how to explain it, but, you know, above all, you know, I just thank God I'm blessed, you know, I'm still here.
And hundreds of homes have been classified as either damaged or destroyed, but there could be even more. Assessments are set to continue tomorrow. Reporting live in Pensacola, Alan Carter, News 5.